Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for a way to stay much more organized this year, then this pen and yearly planner combo from Anecdote is going to be perfect for you.
I love a good paper planner, and this one is so fantastic. Not only do you get these amazing gel pens that write so smoothly, and I love their colors, but you get a really well designed planner. It has the monthly and daily, weekly sections, but you have so many spots to be able to write your to do lists, your goals, and break everything down hourly throughout your day. It really helps to keep on track of the things that you need to do. I think this is such a great way to be able to achieve your goals by putting them down to paper. And these are so well made, so beautiful. I love being able to write in this planner. It has just been so fantastic to help me get going this year.
If you're like me and you love office supplies, you love staying organized, and you just want beautiful things to do it with, you are going to want to get this set from Anecdote. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.